Iyon and start recording mga kalapida. Welcome sa isa na namang reaction video. Hindi tayo makagawa-gawa dahil antindi pa rin ng sipong ko hanggang ngayon. Ang sakit na ng ilong ko. So, kumusta mga kalapida? Magre-react tayo dito sa video ni Ka Eric. Hinamon ng Kongreso na i-contempt siya sa hearing ng SMNI. Grabe, no? Sana ganito, hindi talaga nagpapatinag, no? Basta alam mo yung karapatan mo, no? Hindi ka talaga matitinag. Hindi ka gagawin mo kang tanga dun sa Senado o kung saan man. Basta alam mo, no? Kaya wala dapat talaga ikatakot. Halimbawa, patawag kayo, lalo na kung alam nyo yung karapatan nyo. So, dito ang gagawin natin, watch party muna tayo. Siyempre, ang hirap pa sumingot ng sipon. Ayan, kaya panoorin muna natin to. Kung gaano katigas si Boy Tigas.
Hindi ba nakakasagutin lang ng resource person or witness yung katanungan mo? Okay. Ako siya mag-explain. Okay. First.
Thank you for the reminder, Congressman Hapon, sir. And to the members of this committee, I feel, and it is my right to state before this committee and the August Chamber of Congress, that this committee is not above the law. No one in government is above the law. We are a government of laws. I am protected under the Soto law. I am the
Sana naririnig to ni ni Raffy Tulfo, no, pagka nagaganyan sila sa Senado, no.
constitutional right. I requested per record that I may be given competent advice and assistance of a legal counsel, and such right is guaranteed by the Constitution. And such right is also stipulated clearly in Section 12 of the Governing House Rules pertaining to committee hearing and conduct of investigation. And even if I am not in a court trial, the right to seek out counsel advice and
Yan yung sinabi ko, di ba? Even kahit hindi sila nasa court trial. Dahil dapat nga sa court trial nga siya, dun nga siya dapat talaga lang ang pwede sumugot ng sumugot eh. Di ba? Tuloy.
for the council is a part of principle of due process, a principle guaranteed by the Constitution. And I believe before I answer any further question, may I manifest respectfully and humbly before this committee that all the statements, even uttered under oath, in the absence of competent legal advice and assistance previously, may be granted to be stricken off the record because I believe my constitutional rights were violated.
The answer manifestation of Mr. Senate is out of order. Mr. This is out of order because you cannot dictate in this house and you cannot move. Only members, you ask members in this house.
Yes, I am explaining.
So,
I am not moving.
your manifestation is out of order.
I am requesting.
Do not take your
No, I am not moving. I am standing up for my right. I am
Di ba? Ang ganda ng sagutan.
standing up for my right.
Remember, we might cite in contempt.
Then so be it.
Sino kaya to? Sino kaya to, no? Isa-cite na daw niya in contempt. Sabi niya, so be it.
Only members, you ask members in this house.
Yes, I am explaining.
So,
I am not moving.
your manifestation
Actually, nag-explain lang naman talaga siya. Sino ba nagpahinto? Di ba nagsasalita siya na maayos dito? Kasi tinanong siya eh. Oh. Ngayon, nagsasalita
That
siya.
all the statements
Yung pahayag niya, gusto niya ilabas dito kung ano yung saloobin niya. Di ba? Dahil dun sa nangyari nung nakaraan na hearing. So ngayon, syempre, may bit-bit na rin siya na abogado. Alam niya mas lalong alam niya yung karapatan niya, kaya ina-explain niya dito, tuloy.
even uttered under oath, in the absence of competent legal advice and assistance previously,
Ayun.
may be granted to be stricken off the record because I
Oh. Kaya gusto niyang patanggal off the record yung mga nasabi niya na doon kasi kahit naka-under oath nga daw siya, wala naman siyang legal advisor, 'di ba? So, pwedeng kaya kita nyo, 'di ba, kaya ang daming nagre-recant. Kahit under oath yung mga yan dyan sa Senado o sa House, dahil mga walang abogado, na ano sila, bumabaligtad din sila. O tuloy, maganda tong ginagawa ni at least may natututunan tayo.
believe my constitutional rights were violated.
the answer manifestation of Mr. Senate is out of order. Mr. This is out of order because you cannot dictate in this house and you cannot move.
Point of order daw
Mr. This is out of order. The answer manifestation of Mr. Senate point of order.
Yes.
Because I believe my constitutional rights were violated.
O, kita mo. Sino nagsasalita?
The answer manifestation of Mr. Senate is out of order. Mr. This is out of order because you cannot dictate in this house and you cannot move. only members, you ask members in this house.
Yes, I am explaining.
So,
I am not moving.
your manifestation is out of order.
I am requesting.
Do not picture us.
No, I'm not lecturing. I am standing up for my right. I am standing up for my right.
Remember, we might cite you contempt.
Then so be it, Your Honor.
So be it.
Yes, if that will be sin in the nation na walang karapatan ang mga invited guests dito na magpahayag, Your Honor, with due respect
Bang! Shots fired. Bang!
to you, I do not believe na ang kongreso ito ay nanapag sa karapatan ng mga
Mr. Chairman,
Mr. Chair.
I'm
So be it, Your Honor.
out of order. And what's the position of the chair?
I will need, Mr. Chairman, I will give up my right to free speech respected under the Constitution because this August chamber is
Oh, sino bastos? Ayan, oh. Pinatay, oh. Pinapatay, oh.
The Honorable Ako is recognized. And I understand. Yung sinasabi po ng ating mga ng ating bisita. Pero ano po ninyo?
Ganyan na sila kasi mambastos ng resource person, eh, no? Tuloy.
Kung ang ginagamit po ay yung hearing ng huli at wala ka registrasyon, hindi po namin kasalanan. Kasalanan po ng mga abogado ng SMNI. Dahil sila mismo on record ang nagsabi.
Hindi mo ba naintindihan yung sinabi? Kasasabi lang, di ba? Kasasabi lang. Hindi naman yung tungkol na sa abogado na hindi sila sinalo nung nakaraan, eh. Mahina itong committee na to.
Na they are here to represent SMNI and not the anchors because tumistansya nga po sila.
Hindi naman yun yung tinatopic na ito, eh. Ang tinatopic niya, yung pag-under oath niya, eh, wala naman siyang legal advisor na kasama nun, eh, sana eh, hindi maiput on record. Yun yung hinihiling niya.
Hindi po namin trabaho ang bigyan ng
Hindi nakakaintindi, oh. Oh.
registrasyon ang
Ano daw, hindi namin.
Hindi po namin trabaho ang bigyan ng registrasyon ang angkor. That's why nung humingi po kayo, siya ang pinaliwanag ko, hindi po pwede sila magdepensa sa inyo. Dapat po humingi kayo ng iba.
Hindi naman siya humingi, eh. Nagtanong siya kung pwede lang siya magpa-advise. Eh, sinabi niyo, hindi. Hindi.
Hindi po pwede sila ang magdepensa because they are on record. Under po, ang sabi nila, kami ang abogado ng SMNI at hindi kami abogado ng mga angkor. Klaro po yan, Kylie. You cannot allow.
Oh, ito mo, ayaw ng pagsalitain. You're not allowed. O, asan yung constitutional rights kung he's not allowed na?
Yes.
Because he manifested that the previous records, it is taken out of record. As a person, they are not allowed.
Your Honor, I am going to be detained in this chamber and I am submitting myself before the country in protest my constitutional rights.
Wala. Ayop. Eh, syempre matapang yun. Galing NPA pa rin yan, eh. Joke. Tuloy.
In this chamber and I am submitting myself before the country in protest my constitutional rights are violated in this committee. I'm sorry to say, let me be detained in this.
Diba? Oh. Tangina, tinayuan kayong lahat. Siya lang pala yung nakatayo. Kayo pala hindi kayo nakatayo. Uy.
Before the country in protest my constitutional rights are violated in this committee. I'm sorry to say, let me be detained in this chamber and decided in contempt. I will not participate if my constitutional right will not be guaranteed. You are not here to decide for my constitutional rights.
Let me finish.
There's a point of order, the Honorable.
Let me finish. What I'm saying, I am not telling you to stop. What I'm saying is, my out of order. Kaya sabi makinig ka. My out of order is all about your manifestation.
Papagsalita niyo po ako.
Patapusin mo ako.
Yes, sir.
Huwag ka may
Huwag ka daw bastos. Eh, bastos ka rin naman, eh.
bastos.
Hindi ako bastos, nagpapaliwanag ako.
Oh, di ba? Hindi ako bastos. Nagpapaliwanag ako. Eh, ikaw din naman bastos ka, eh.
I am not telling you to stop. What I'm saying is, my out of order. Kaya sabi makinig ka. My out of order is
Yung ganitong, hindi, makinig ka. Anong tawag doon? Hindi ba pambabastos yun? Pambabastos din naman yung ganung mga salita, di ba?
my out of order. Kaya sabi makinig ka. My out of order is all about your manifestation.
Papagsalita niyo po ako.
Patapusin mo ako.
Yes, sir.
Huwag ka may bastos.
Hindi ako bastos, nagpapaliwanag ako.
Mr. Chairman, I would like to correct. I am not subbing in to issue statement. What I'm saying is, and what I'm pointing out of order is a miscellaneous statement of the previous record. Si Please cannot point of error. He is not allowed to do it.
Honorable Dan Fernandez, on the point of order.
Maybe remind the speakers and the members of this committee to observe the proper decorum.
Correct.
If the chairman acknowledges a certain personality, let him speak and
Yes.
not interrupt the members of this committee while the members given the right to speak. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Honorable Dan Fernandez. Honorable, ako, sir, next.
Ito pa isa.
Please be reminded.
Ito isa, akala mo, ano, ang daming natatakot na resource person sa kanya. Pero, ito nakikita ko lang grandstanding din doon si Kong Akop eh. Alam mo yung mga pananakot na pambata, tinayuan sila kanina ni Ka Eric. Di, contempt nyo ako. Basta yung constitutional rights ko, nilalabag nyo. O, diba?
That in this committee and this house, we have rules.
Hindi to natapos kanina kasi lumindol eh. Habang nag-hearing sila, nagsasalita si Badoy. Lumindol. Kaya naputol yung hearing nila kanina.
Hindi po ba namin sinusunod yung mga rules? Matanong ko nga po.
Yes, sir. I feel that is
I
my...
would like to remind you that these rules are supposed to be followed by members of this committee and by the witnesses or resource person to be present. And one of these rules is that before you can speak, you ask permission from the chairman. Kami nga, hindi kami nagsasabi.
May permission naman siya kanina. Kanina pa nga siya nagtataas eh. Ayaw nyo rin pagsalitain eh. Binabara nyo eh.
Na walang permission yung chairman. You better follow that rule. Otherwise,
Sige.
mapilitan akong gawin yung hindi ko dapat gawin.
Di gawin nyo. Kanina pa nga kayo hinahamon eh.
Mr. Chair.
O, kita nyo. Ayaw na pagsalitain no?
I was raising a point of order earlier, but
So, lang hearing na.
it's okay. Mr. Chairman, kasi gusto ko lang i-refresh yung memory ng ating resource person na no one's curtailing your right. In fact, kaya ka nga nandito, binibigyan ka ng panahon, ng oras para magsalita. But do not play to the crowd saying that your rights are violated in this committee. It's not. Kayo ay nasa demokrasya, di ba? I believe you were in
Apakasimple lang ng hinihiling niya sa inyo kanina. Off record nyo yung nauna kasi wala siyang legal advisor noon. 'Di ba? Ano sinabi ng chairman? Hindi namin karapatan na bigyan ka kung wala ka dating dala dahil tinabla ka naman ng SMNI, 'di ba? Kaya nga ngayon siya humingi na off record para lahat ng sasabihin niya ngayon under oath, may advisor siya ngayon. Hindi nyo ba maintindihan yon? Tapos iba na yung sinasabi nyo?
former member of the NPA. Yes, sir. Di ba? And alam mo kung ano yung pinaglalaban natin dito, di ba? So, never, ever insult the committee, much more any of the members of this committee. Kasi
Tingin ko kaya kayo na-insulto kasi may tumayo at lumaban sa karapatan. Kaya kayo na-insulto. Hindi niya ini-insulto yung committee nyo. Kayo ang na-insulto sa pakiramdam nyo kasi merong alam yung karapatan niya na hindi nyo kayang ibigay. Ganun lang kasimple yun.
Kasi medyo yun ang affront. Yun ang affront sa amin. And do not challenge us to do what we feel is right to do to you.
Binigyan na nga kayo ng pagkakataon. Kung matapang kayo, i-contempt. Ba't hindi nyo i-contempt? Takot kayo. Contempt nyo. Inahamon na nga kayo ng contempt eh.
Because you might not like it. Just going to remind him of that. Thank you.
Mag-aamon ba yan kung hindi niya kayang panindigan?
The Honorable Ace Barbers.
Makapagsalita lang kayo mga kayo.
I believe that this is an aid
Ito pa isa
legislation, and the source persons should be reminded that they should observe proper decorum. I'd just like to remind all the resource persons that under Section 11,
proper decorum. Maganda naman yung sinasabi niya kanina, binara nyo lang kasi ayaw nyo makarinig ng katotohanan. Ganun lang kasimple yun. Nasoplak lang kayo. Hoy!
resource persons should be reminded that they should observe proper decorum. I'd just like to remind all the resource persons that under Section 11, each inquiry, or for that matter, Congress has the power to contempt. The committee may punish any person for contempt by a vote of 2/3 of the members present, there being a quorum. And there are 6 grounds for contempt.
Sa tingin mo, hindi niya alam yan, kaya nga hinahamon kayo eh. Hindi mo na kailangan basahin yan. Di ba kung gusto nyo nga doon i-contempt, kung sa tingin mo nandyan sa 6 grounds na sinasabi mo, di i-contempt mo. Takot lang kayo kasi pwede kayo mabalikan.
One of which is letter E, acting in a disrespectful manner towards any member of the committee or any misbehavior in the presence of the committee. So, Mr. Chair, we do not want to cite our source person for contempt. Kaya nakikiusap kami sa iyo, Eric, na kung pwede, please respect this committee and observe proper decorum. Nasa rules po natin na you cannot speak if you are not recognized by the chair. Actually,
Sakin na. Siya yung nagsasalita kanina. Siningitan lang. Na real talk lang kayo. Wag niyong baligtarin.
Nagkuhan ako kayo, Eric. Kanina, you are not recognized by the chair. But
Recognize siya. Siya nagsasalita eh.
May I advise, Eric, you are not suppressing your rights, but also respect this committee and observe proper decorum.
Thank you very much.
O, kita mo, ayaw na. O, di ba?
First question raised by the Honorable Suarez. Alam po niyo, Kyrie.
Nagtataas ng kamay. Ayaw pagsalita yan.
So, ang tanong mo, yes or no? May tanong si Congressman J.J. Suarez. Huwag na po natin pahabain. Yes or no?
I will refuse to answer, Your Honors, not because I disrespect this committee, but I will invoke my right guaranteed by the Constitution because I believe this committee cannot be above the law, especially the Constitution.
Can I just raise
Honorable J.J.
a
Suarez.
what right is that you are invoking, Mr. Said?
The Bill of Rights. The Bill of Rights guarantees me for the guarantee of due process, and even the Soto Law, and even the House rules. Constitutionally guaranteed rights, Your Honor, Mr. Chairman, cannot be violated by any branch of the government.
Tangina nagmonta ngayon mga kongresista.
May katanungan.
Hindi nyo na alam.
Pero bakit kasama ko bilago din?
That's why I am requesting.
Kaya nga alam na niya yung ginagawa niya ngayon, di ba? Kaya nga hinihingi na niya yung i-off record niya yung dati. Kasi wala siya dating abogado. Ngayon meron na. Tangina, pahiya kayong lahat. Tangina. Natapakan silang lahat eh.
That's why I am requesting since last hearing that I may be given the counsel. Now I will hire.
Alam niyo, ibigay mo pa. Dasi na. Tanong ko na yun.
I will hire Attorney Mark Tolentino and Attorney Rolex Soplico as my personal choice.
Okay.
To do
Soplico, matindi rin yan ah.
Now, he's guided by your lawyer.
Not yet,
Also here.
not yet, sir, because they are not, Mr. Chairman, permitted and granted authority to be recognized as my legal counsel. That's why I'm requesting.
Is your lawyer this evening?
I'm hiring today, this afternoon, Attorney Mark Tolentino and Attorney Rolex Soplico.
The lawyers accepting that mandate because you remember, in the last hearing, it's manifested that you are not representing Eric and Anchors because of the disclaimer issue. Are you accepting? I'm accepting your honor.
So,
Attorney,
dang!
I am accepting your
Dang!
Thank you very much. Everything that you said, bawal na po. Now, may abogado na po kayo. Yes or no?
I
I
invoke
request
them.
again, Congressman Honorable J.D. Suarez to represent the question, please.
Now, with the presence of your lawyer, in this a little bit,
Ayun lang. Stop natin. Kasi stop.
Merry Christmas, legit daw.
Mamaya na natin content to. So, yun lang masasabi natin mga kalapid medyo nasoplak sila. Nasoplak ang
Can I proceed, Mr. Chair?
nasoplak ang committee na to ni Ka Eric. Pumalag. 'Di ba? Iba talaga pag may alam at may kasama ka mga hindi, ito kasi buo loob nito kasi galing to sa NPA eh. Kaya buo loob nitong si Ka Eric. 'Di ba? At saka kung alam niya nasa panig siya ng katotohanan, kaya niya siguro ginagawa yung pinaglalaban yung ginagawa niya. 'Di ba? Pero kung yung iba yung nangyayari sa Senado, nakikita nyo kung gaano kaduduwag. Lalo na yung sa angkas. Tangina, tinawag pang proper forum yung ano, yung RTIA. Oh, ito example, 'di ba? So, yun lang muna mga kalapid, ang sakit sa ilong na talaga. Comment kayo, paki-subscribe, paki-like, and stop recording.